Frigates have a fearsome reputation, but the odds are not all in their favour. If they ditch in the sea, their long wings can get critically waterlogged. With every swoop, they risk drowning. In the colony, the males inflate their extraordinary red throat pouches. They are trying to be irresistible to females passing overhead. He's got one. She soon settles in and tidies up his nest. He watches over her very carefully. After all, he's surrounded by pirates. Another male tries to muscle in. Now she joins in. She's already made her choice and helps drive the newcomer away. Her partner wastes no more time. And when it's all over, she gets a rest on a comfortable pillow. Hidden away from the rest of the world, this is a place for pirates to find peace.